That stinks. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've not been doing many videos. I've just had a lot that I've been having to do, but yeah, I'll be back and I'm going to start making some more videos. I've got one video that I'm going to do right now, which is nettle tea. I've got like a bag of loads of nettles, and we're going to try and make some nettle tea. So I've never tried this before, but my dad's the one that mentioned it, so hopefully it's decent. I don't like tea anyway, but yeah, let's find out. So basically guys, you need a pan, or whatever you want to call it. What else have I had this turned on? I got this turned on. So, got a bit of water. I'm going to put the water in last. I don't think you're supposed to put that much in, but oh well. That does not look very good. Ew. Feels all weird. Put the water in. So guys, we're going to be leaving that to boil a little bit to change the way it is basically. You're supposed to boil it and let the juice stuff out of the nettles, or whatever you want to call it. You're supposed to leave it for about 5-10 minutes or something like that, just to enough it's, apparently it goes green or something, I don't have a fucking clue, but yeah, we're gonna see what this turns out like, and yeah, we'll be back when it's done. Peace. So guys, this should be done now, which we need a cup. I don't really have anything to sieve it with, but I'm gonna use a teaspoon. Just to stop the nettles going in the drink. That does not look very healthy at all. It's supposed to be healthy. Fucking hell, it's made my thing black. It just looks like black coffee. You see that, guys? Looks like black coffee. I'm gonna leave it to cool a couple of minutes because it's like literally red hot, because I've only just took it off the oven. But yeah, I'll be back in a couple of minutes guys. So guys, let's see what's actually happened to this and see if it done anything. Still black, and that does not smell very nice. Still got a bit of nettles in it, but oh well. Let's see what this is actually like. Fucking hell, it's still hot. Look. Oh, that stinks. I know it's supposed to be healthy for you, but we're good now. Oh no. That shit is fucking disgusting. Try again. Oh. Oh wait. Oh. That's supposed to be good for you, but fucking hell, it gives you an upset stomach. So, fucking hell, I am not trying that again, unless you guys wanted me to. So, yeah, if you wanted me to make it, fucking hell, this is hot. I've got the actual nettles in there. If you wanted me to eat the actual nettles itself, then make sure you like this. Fucking hell, I can't even speak. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to hit subscribe. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. And comment if there's like any type of video that you want me to do, just comment down below, let me know, and yeah, I'll go through and yeah, I'll do it for you. So yeah, guys, don't forget to hit subscribe, and yeah, please hit subscribe because I've got a really upset stomach and I wasn't feeling very well in the first place. But yeah, hit subscribe, guys. Peace.